Hi, today show you the new Anker SoundCore Boost. It's very good.
Volerei da te da Milano fino ad Hong Kong, passando per Londra, da Roma fino a Bangkok, cercando te.
Actually, this is one of the best speakers in the market. Almost flat sound with good bass response and a certain emphasis in the treble. Compared to Taotronics Pulse 6, the SoundCore Boost have more bass and highs. The DOSS Traveler, in comparison, have the baddest stereo effect, since the more smaller dimension. Furthermore, the DOSS have more high treble and high bass. It's very good, but the Anker Boost have more hi-fi sound, for my opinion. Definitely, I very recommend the Anker SoundCore Boost. Bye bye.